How are you today?
Hello, I am good. I feel calm and fresh. How are you?
I am fine too. I just wanted to talk, to relax my mind, and share some simple thoughts.
So, how is your day going?
My day is simple, nothing big, just small moments, and a little peace.
That sounds nice. Sometimes, simple days are the best days.
And you? How do you feel today?
I feel light. I feel happy. Talking slowly and calmly is helping me relax.
Yes, chit-chat like this makes the heart peaceful.
You know, we don't always need big conversations. Small talks, soft talks, are enough to make us feel connected.
I agree. Little conversations create big comfort, just like now.
This small talk also teaches good English, like, how are you? How is your day? What are you doing? These are helpful phrases.
Yes, and pronunciation becomes better when we speak slowly and clearly.
After this talk, I will rest a little. My mind needs some quiet time.
Good idea. Rest helps. Peace helps. Soft conversations also help.
Thank you for this small talk. It made my day better.
Thank you too. Simple words, simple feelings, simple moments, always feel warm. Maya, do you know, I really enjoy these small talks with you. They feel simple, but they make my mind calm.
Yes, Arjun, I feel the same. Sometimes, a small conversation can make our whole day brighter and better.
So, tell me, how was your day after we last talked?
My day was slow. I did some work. I cleaned my room, and then I listened to some soft music.
That sounds peaceful. I like days like that. Simple, quiet, and relaxing.
Yes, and you know, when we talk like this, I also learn how to express my feelings in English.
Same here. Chit-chat helps us use words like calm, peaceful, relaxed, and comfortable.
Yes, and we learn how to speak slowly and clearly so that others understand us easily.
Tell me, Maya, did anything special happen today?
Nothing big, but a small moment made me smile. A little child waved at me in the market.
Oh, that sounds sweet. Sometimes small moments make us happier than big events.
Yes, life becomes beautiful when we notice small things.
Do you ever think that chit-chat is like a warm breeze?
Smile softly. Yes, it feels light, it feels gentle, and it helps us breathe better.
And it also teaches English naturally. Simple words, soft tone, slow speed.
Exactly. This is the best way to learn, not by stress, but by enjoying the conversation.
I feel good after talking to you. Even a few minutes can change my mood.
Me too. Thank you for this calm, slow, and friendly chit-chat.
Maya, I like talking to you like this. Just simple friendly chit-chat. It feels calm.
Yes, Arjun, small conversations make the mind feel light. No pressure, no hurry, just soft talking.
Do you know, this kind of chit-chat helps us practice English?
Yes, because we use simple words, we speak slowly, we express our feelings in an easy way.
So tell me, how was your day today?
My day was peaceful. I woke up early, I made tea, I sat near the window, and I watched the morning sun. It felt beautiful.
That sounds nice. Sometimes, simple moments make the day special.
Yes, and you? How was your day?
My day was simple too. I studied a little, I cleaned my room, and I listened to slow music for some time.
Arjun, do you ever talk to yourself?
Yes, sometimes I do. It helps me understand My own thoughts.
Me too, I think. Chit-chat with ourselves, and chit-chat with friends, both make our minds more relaxed.
I think small conversations make friendships stronger.
Yes, even a simple, "How are you?" or "Did you eat?" shows care and kindness.
True, even texting one small line can make someone smile.
And it teaches us how to speak gently, how to choose soft words, and how to listen. It's nice to talk with no rush, no tension, just calmness.
Yes, slow talking is good for the heart, and good for English learning too.
I enjoy this peaceful chit-chat. It makes my mind feel fresh.
Me too. Let's continue like this. Soft words, slow tone, simple English. And this is how gentle chit-chat helps you learn English. Simple words, clear sentences, slow emotions. Keep practicing with someone, and your English will grow naturally.
Thank you so much for watching, friends. I hope today's lesson helped you learn something new and exciting in English. Remember, practice every day, speak confidently, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we grow. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe for more lessons, and share this video with someone who's learning English too. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next class. Take care and end.